Now, don't skip this video if you're looking to start a career in project management, or if you're simply looking to earn a higher income while doing something exciting, or if you're looking to improve your skills and accelerate your career, or tired of doing the same thing over and over again. With the United Kingdom leaving the European Union, this has opened a new flurry of opportunities, especially in the management consulting sector. So roles like the business analyst, the project manager, or the PMO lead have now become available, and they're looking for people like you to fill those roles. Try typing the word project manager on Google and you'd find 2.5 million results will come back. That is because there is a huge demand for project managers, and they're looking for competent people like you to take over those roles. With over 60 high-profile projects delivered both in the private and in the public sector, 14 years experience, a master's degree in project and program management from Russell Group University, and having trained over 2,000 delegates worldwide, I am looking to help you become the best project manager you can be. I will share with you everything that there is to know about project management. This is not just theory, this is practical. Whether you're already a project manager or you're looking to become a project manager, this will be of great benefit to you. And as a result, I'm inviting you to our free Project Management Accelerator webinar. There are limited slots available, so make sure you sign up as soon as possible to avoid missing out. Click on the link on your screen and I'll be delighted to see you on the other side.